Big congratulations. How much, firstly, a relief to be off the bottom of the Premier League?
I think it was coming. The problem, we couldn't achieve it for one reason or another. Every time we put a few results together, we couldn't make the last one to go off the bottom. We done it in style. We done it when, we have to do it as well. We were in a position that there is not too many games to play and we needed to win. So a very, very good performance today.
What about Adam Johnson? I know you praised him midweek. You said in your press conference as well that he's just the kind of guy you need to get yourselves out of this mess. He was brilliant for you today, wasn't he?
Outstanding. Difficult to find a word. So pleased for him. I said the other day he made my day. I think today he went a little bit further because he was exceptional. Every decision he made today was good. Passing, creating, he created the goal as well in the free kick. So everything he done today is great. If he maintain that level, if we can help him to maintain that level, I think we've got a great chance to stay up.
What's changed with Adam Johnson, Gus? Because some people will say he was unlucky at Manchester City. He didn't really get the chances under Roberto Mancini. I mean, he's a changed man since you've come to Sunderland. What's changed in his head?
I think it's the way we play. I mean, Adam is a person who needs the ball. He needs to have the chance to pass it and get it back and be in positions to attack the full-backs and get in between the lines, but they need a team to play that kind of football, to give him the option to be on the ball in great positions. It took us a while to find him, not all the time. I think before we just give it to Jono and just do whatever you like. There is times, and he learned it very well, and the last 3 games has been very, very important. I just hope that he can maintain that level because it's gonna be great.
I heard you before this game say that a win here could change your season. An emphatic win could really change your season. That's what you've got.
Look, very heavy. The 1 point from 7 games, very, very heavy. To get him away and slowly we've been getting there. We needed something special and we done it today.
And that goal is finally from Johnson, his second goal of the game in front of the Sunderland fans. The big support you got here at Craven Cottage, thousands of them coming down from the northeast. They're going to go home very happy and full of confidence now.
I think we've been excellent with the away fans. They were superb today. I'm sure it's going to be a great way back. We need to give a little bit more to the home fans now. We need to make sure that we do the same at home because everybody deserves to be a little bit more happy. It's been very difficult 6 months, but it looks like we're getting out of there, so let's continue.